All right, here we go. I'm going to make a quick project, do a scan, and do the AI inspection report all in one shot here. We'll go really quickly. So in Compass, you're going to add a new job. I'm going to do an existing org. Actually, we'll just do a brand new customer. I'll just call it myself here as a test. Skip all of this. Just do a water mitt job. I'll use current location since I'm here. I'm at a hotel room right now in Florida, so it'd be kind of nice to do just a brand new place here. So I'm going to hit create job or project. Just going to immediately go to sketch here. I'm going to go LiDAR. So I'm on the second floor, so I'm going to start scanning this. Always jumps here, and it's going to re-engage the camera here. There it goes. So it should start scanning. All right. It's going to kind of an odd shaped room. It's got multiple weird areas here. It's going to pick up all the furniture also as we go here. Kind of an interesting room. It's got this like entry hallway area. I'm going to consider that as the same room here. Get that nightstand. So instead of making the hallway a separate room, I'm not going to actually consider it the same room here. Go ahead and start scanning in here. Pick up that doorway. The LiDAR has actually gotten better where it can actually do different size ceilings and things like that. So that's great. So I'm going to hit done with this room. That's one room. And add the next room. The LiDAR kept going in the background. You couldn't see it, but that's why it started scanning immediately on the second room. You want to be careful. You don't want to move your phone around too much in between each room. Should we get all the sinks and stuff here? This bathroom area. It's a little weird. It's got like a door. It's just a kind of a strange bathroom area here, but it's got one door for the shower and bathroom. All right, I'm gonna hit done. Let's see here. That looks. This is interesting. This is more of a warning that it's shown overlap, which is good actually. So I'm actually gonna keep anyways. Looks good. Got the rooms right. I'm gonna finish and upload. And then I'm going to take a couple pictures in each room here. Let's see here. Select. Oh, there it goes. So I don't know if you just saw it rendered after a couple seconds. It does a server side render, and I actually found that kind of hallway room area looked a little strange there. Gonna hit this photo. I like zooming out. Get the whole area here. There we go. Six photos will do that. And then I'm gonna do the bathroom here. Photo, kind of same thing. I like kind of zooming out. Oops. Just get a few here. Save. Those are uploading in the background here. And then what I'm gonna do, the Wi-Fi here is not very good, so let's see here. Okay, yeah, it's uploading. Great. Now that I got the sketch, I got some photos. I'm going to go ahead and run the. Oh, there it goes. Finish uploading those folders. I'm gonna go back to info here. I'm going to go to this AI inspection studio, the bottom button here. Go click that. I'm going to do my photos and project data because it gives me an area to add something here. Let's say the shower overflowed and flooded the entire hotel space. Both the bathroom and bedroom area have about half an inch of clean water. I'm not even going to say the category. I'm going to basically leave it at that. I'm not going to say anything else. So hopefully it'll be able to pick up on the carpet versus tile. We'll see. Hey, before I do that, let me copy this because I forgot to add something. I'm going to copy that. Let's see if it remembers it. I'm going to go back into the sketch here. I'm going to add a couple moisture points so it'll actually know what I'm dealing with here. So let's click the bedroom here. I'll add a moisture point. Let's just add one here. Call it 100% saturated floor, carpet. And if I had a meter, I would take a picture of it, but I'll just kind of take a picture of the carpet here. So it's going to attach that to that moisture point. And then I'll do another one in the bathroom. So it knows that there's it's called 100% wet tile, which I know is kind of a weird tile, 100% wet. Sometimes you get weird readings with it, but we'll just go with that. We'll see if it can kind of identify each of those moisture points a little bit. And then, then we'll go back to, oops, went too far back here. Go back to the A Inspection Studio, My Photos and Project Data. This one you can actually add a little thing. Hit Generate Report here. See, it usually takes, I don't know, anywhere from 10 seconds to 45 seconds. There's not like a ton of photos for it to analyze on this one. We have done, if you do like the video walkthrough, which is really nice, you can do a 2-minute video or so. If you do the measured rooms, it'll actually use real measured data. But even if you don't have time for that, let's say you go into a house with 4 bedrooms and you just want a quick estimate, doesn't have to be exact measurements. You don't have to LiDAR scan. You could just do a 2-minute video walkthrough real fast and it'll estimate based on your video. But this actually, what I'm doing now, it's actually taking all the data, the actual LiDAR scans, the actual measurements, the actual photos, the actual moisture points, and building this out. So we'll give it another second here. Hopefully this runs correctly. It's using Gemini in the background. There we go. Report generated, 3 rooms, 6 photos analyzed. Let's view report here. Built out 10 line items. So let's go and click on that. $2,716.12. It's a restoration project. Gives you a great narrative. Class 2, due to significant absorption of water by the carpet and underlayment through the bedroom, the drying class is determined. I didn't give it a whole lot of information, and it's getting smarter and smarter to be able to put these scopes and descriptions together, built out these line items. I'm going to do another kind of explanation on how we can improve these estimate line items. Obviously, the first option is do the Xactimate integration, which is very expensive. So that's number one. But we're building out kind of an AI system to help improve these estimates. So it's pretty good right now. It gives you a good idea what you're doing, but still it could be improved a lot. I'm going to import full scope as estimate. So this is where you could go and change different things. So dehumidifier, you can change the price or the days. Let's say it's going to take 5 days on this for some reason. So automatically changes that, and then you can create estimate. And again, I want to improve the line items and the codes to match Xactimate better, both with an integration and improving the AI. That I'll make another kind of video on here. So, all right, there is our estimate. We can send proposal, approve, get the PDF, look at whatever we want right here. Super quick and fast. The send proposal is really cool. Puts together a really nice document for the customer. And just again, from start to finish, this was, under 10 minutes, able to measure the room, add moisture points, add photos, add an AI estimate that we just need to improve the estimate better. So if this was an uninsured job that didn't require Xactimate, this estimate would probably be perfectly fine. It looks a little on the low end, to be honest, but we'll hit done. And anyone could go, this job I did in the playground sandbox location, so anyone could go in and kind of look at that proposal and everything. So that's everything. All right, thanks.